Hi, dear students. In today's lecture, we'll see mean deviation about median for grouped frequency distribution. So, in last lecture, we discussed mean deviation about mean for grouped frequency distribution. So, in this lecture, we'll find median. Yes. So, consider the example. Find the mean deviation about median of the following data. Here in row weight of wood log in kilograms, it is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and frequencies are what number of logs 4, 6, 10, 18, 9, 3. So this is of the data of form grouped frequency. So for this we have to find median mean deviation about median. So to find the mean deviation about mean, we will prepare the table. Okay. So we prepare the table for the calculation of mean deviation about median. So in first column of table, we will find class intervals. In second column, we will find class marks, which is denoted by xi, then corresponding frequencies fi. So class interval, we know that it is what? So it is what? 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Yes. So what are the class marks? Only 40 to 50 is there. Sorry, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. So what are the class marks? Yes, it is nothing but midpoint of your class interval. Okay. So can I write midpoint of 10 and 20? It is 15. 20 आणि 30 चा midpoint काय येईल 25. 30 आणि 40 चा 35. 40 आणि 50 चा 45. 50 आणि 60 चा 55. 60 आणि 70 चा 65. ओके. So फ्रिक्वेन्सीज काय येतील? फ्रिक्वेन्सीज काय दिले बघा इथं 4, 6. सो हे फ्रिक्वेन्सीज आहेत ते फ्रिक्वेन्सी लिहून घेऊया कॉलम मध्ये 10, 18, 9, 3. Okay. So these are what frequencies for the given distribution. Yes. So to obtain median, we require some columns. So first I will write that column. So it is what then CF less than column. After that di is equal to xi minus m. Okay. Then it is what mod of di, which is nothing but what it is equal to mod of xi minus m, and then we require fi into mod di. Okay. So to obtain median of the class, we require summation fi. So this is what summation fi. या कॉलमची सगळी ॲडिशन करायची आहे 4 प्लस 6 10, 10 प्लस 10 20, 20 प्लस 18 38 प्लस 9 47 प्लस 3 it is what 50. So summation fi is equal to 50. Yes, then we have to find the cumulative frequency less than column. सो हे ऑलरेडी मी एक्सप्लेन केलं होतं तुम्हाला. येस, क्लास बार 15 साठी 4 असेल, तर अप टू 25 साठी किती येईल? 4 प्लस 6 10. ओके, up to 35 10 plus 10 it is 20. Up to 45 20 plus 18 it is 38. Up to 55 it is 38 plus 9 means 47. And up to 65 it is 47 plus 3, so it is what? 50. Yes, so this value is similar to summation fi. Note that ही जी व्हॅल्यू असते शेवटची ती कशाशी इक्वल असते? समेशन ऑफ एफ आय म्हणजे ऑल फ्रिक्वेन्सीजची ऍडिशन. सो पुढे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? क्लास इंटरवल फाइंड आउट करायचे, जो की n/2 म्हणजे फ्रिक्वेन्सी n upon 2 is equal to, yes, n is what? Summation fi, it is what? 50 upon 2, so it is what? 25. Yes, सो बघा 25 क्युम्युलेटिव्ह फ्रिक्वेन्सी लेस दॅन कुठं बसतंय? लेस दॅन 20 ला येते का? नाही. लेस दॅन कुठं येईल? 38 ला. ओके, सो विच इज करस्पॉन्डिंग टू class interval. Yes, what is class interval? It is 40 to 50 from the column of CF less than. ओके, सो हे कसं ऑब्टेन केलंय हे आपण पाठीमागच्या पण एक्झाम्पल मध्ये बघितलं होतं. येस, इट इज व्हॉट? समेशन ऑफ एफ आय मीन्स ऑल फ्रिक्वेन्सीची ऍडिशन डिवायडेड बाय 2 करा. जी व्हॅल्यू येईल ती व्हॅल्यू सीएफ लेस दॅनच्या कॉलम मध्ये चेक करा. कुठं कोणत्या व्हॅल्यूला हा रो फिक्स होतो, म्हणजे 20 लेस दॅनला 25 येईल का? नाही. येस, क्युम्युलेटिव्ह फ्रिक्वेन्सी लेस दॅन 38 मध्ये ही व्हॅल्यू येईल, म्हणजेच करस्पॉन्डिंग इंटरवल काय आला? 40 to 50. येस, इट इज 40 to 50 from the column cumulative frequency less than. Okay, so what is the median class? So this class 40 to 50 is called as median class. It is what? 40 to 50. Then we have to take some terms which is new in this example, so please give attention. So first it is EFC. EFC means what? The cumulative frequency of class. Cumulative frequency of a class before median class. ओके, सो हे टर्म फक्त तुम्हाला समजण्यासाठी एक्झाम मध्ये नाही लिहिलं तरी चालेल. येस, so FC means what? Cumulative frequency of a class before median class. Okay, so this is what your median class. Yes, because the value is 25 and 25, yes, cumulative frequency less than, it is what? 38. So this is what? Median class. So बिफोर मिडियन क्लास म्हणजे ह्याच्या अगोदरची जी व्हॅल्यू आहे ती व्हॅल्यू काय असते? FC. ओके, सो दॅट इज, इथं लिहितोय, दॅट इज FC इज इक्वल टू किती आलं? 20. ओके, त्यानंतर FM म्हणजे काय असतो? येस, FM इज नथिंग बट फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ median class. So what is FM? फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ मीडियन क्लास. बघा हा मीडियन क्लास आहे, ह्याची जी फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे 18 ती काय असते? FM इज इक्वल टू 18. ओके, डायरेक्ट तुम्ही ही व्हॅल्यू जरी लिहिली तरी चालेल, मी इथं समजण्यासाठी हे टर्म्स लिहितोय. त्यानंतर L1. L1 is what? It is the lower limit of class of median. So L1 is lower limit of class of median. Yes. So L1 बघा हा class of median आहे 40 to 50. So what is lower limit? It is what? So I will write here 50. Okay. So what is lower limit? It is what? 40. So therefore L1 ची व्हॅल्यू काय आली? 40. Yes. सो हे सगळे इन्फॉर्मेशन वरून आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचंय? मीडियनची व्हॅल्यू. येस. सो मीडियनची व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड आउट करू. त्यासाठी फॉर्म्युला काय बघा. I will first write formulae. So median is equal to, means capital M is equal to L1 plus in bracket N upon 2 minus FC bracket complete divided by AFM, okay, into C. This C is nothing but what? Class width. Okay, so what is the class width? बघा 40 to 50 आहे म्हणजे class width किती असेल? Yes, it is 10. Okay, so we'll write class width also. So class width it is what? 10. So इथे आपण व्हॅल्यू पुटअप करूया आता. Yes. So what is L1? L1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? बघा हे फॉर्म्युला व्यवस्थित लक्षात ठेवा. परत एकदा रिपीट करतोय. M is equal to L1 plus N by 2 in minus FC bracket complete divided by FM into C. So what is L1? Yes, L1 is 40 plus what is N? N by 2 ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याजवळ आहे. It is what? 25. Yes. So 25 minus FC. FC ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? Yes, it is 20 divided by FM. FM is what? Yes, it is 18 into class width. Class width is what? 10. Okay. So 40 plus 25 minus 20. It is what? 5. 5 into 10. So it is what? 50. 50 upon 80. Yes. So in this way, if you calculate this value, so you will get, yes, so it is 40 plus 2.777. Okay, so this you can write, yes, as 40 plus 2.78. It is nothing but 42.78. So this 7 terminate into what? 7 8, and we will write 40 plus 2.78 as what? 42.78. So median for this example is what? 42.78. Okay, so here we will write the value of median. It is what? 42.78. Yes. सो आता आपण काय कॅल्क्युलेट करूया? XI मायनस M म्हणजेच काय? या फ्रिक्वेन्सी मधून मीडियन काय करायचा? सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा. ओके, सो 15 minus 42.78, it is what? Minus 27.78. 25 minus 42.78, it is what? Minus 17.78. Yes, so similarly you can find these values. It is what? Minus 7.78. Then 45 minus 42.78, it is what? 2.22. Next value 12.22, and next it is what? 22.22. So then we have to calculate what? Mod of this value, means positive. So it is what? 27.78, 17.78, 7.78, 2.22, 12.22 and 22.22. Okay. So आता आपल्याला फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये काय लागणार आहे बघा? Fi into mod of di. Yes, so therefore we are calculating product of Fi and mod di. Okay, so now we will calculate the product of frequency and mod of di. Yes, so yes, calculate 4 into 27.78 on calculator. It will be 111.12. Then 6 into 17.78, it is 106.68. 10 into 7.78, so it is 77.8. 18 into 2.22, so it is 39.96. 9 into 12.22, so it is 109.98. And 3 into 22.22, so it is what, 66.66. So if you add all these entries, हे सगळ्यांची ऍडिशन घेतल्यानंतर काय भेटेल तुम्हाला? समेशन fi mod di is equal to 512.2. Okay, so what is the formula? Yes, formula for mean deviation about median. Yes, it is given by, so mean deviation about median what is the formula? It is summation fi mod di upon summation fi. So what is the value of this summation fi into mod di? It is 512.2. And what is the summation fi? It is 50. Okay, so if you calculate this ratio 512.2 upon 50, so you will get 10.244. Okay, so this is required value of mean deviation about median for given frequency distribution, sorry, given grouped distribution. Okay, so in this way you can calculate mean deviation about median for given grouped frequency distribution. Now we will see the next example. So before that, you should remember that the formula for median of class and mean deviation about median. Okay, so we will continue after. Consider the next example. From the following data, calculate the mean deviation about median. Okay, so here they have given the information in the form of class interval. So this is nothing but what, grouped frequency distribution. Class intervals are what, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, and 60 to 69. The frequencies are respectively what, 6, 10, 16, 14, 8, 4. Okay, so if you observe the class intervals, so they are what, yes, they are not continuous. There is a jump in between 19 and 20, 29 and 30, 39 and 40, 49 and 50, 59 and 60. म्हणजेच दिलेले जे क्लास इंटरवल आहेत ते काय नाही आहेत, कंटिन्युअस नाही आहेत. ओके, सो कंटिन्युअस करण्यासाठी काय करूया आपण, बघा जंप व्हॅल्यू किती आहे इथं, दोघांमधला डिफरन्स 19 आणि 20 मधला डिफरन्स किती आहे तो बघायचा. तो किती आहे, 1 डिवायडेड बाय 2. So it is what, 0.5. So that 0.5, yes, we have to subtract from 10 and add it to 0.5. Okay, so now we prepare the table to calculate mean deviation about median. Okay, so consider the following table to calculate mean deviation about median. So it is what? First, class intervals. So we will do class interval continuous. So write down here class interval. जे क्लास इंटरवल आहे ते आपण कंटिन्युअस करून घेऊया. काय केलं, जंप व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 1, सो त्यामुळं 1 डिवायडेड बाय 2 मीन्स इट इज 0.5. सो 0.5 सबट्रॅक्ट फ्रॉम लोअर अँड ॲड इट टू अप्पर लिमिट. सो काय येईल बघा इथं 9.5 टू 19.5. सो 0.5 सबट्रॅक्ट केला, इथं ॲड केला. सेम फॉर द सेकंड इंटरवल 19.5 to 29.5. Next, yes, here it is what? 29.5 to 39.5. Next, 39.5 to 49.5. Next, 49.5 to 59.5. Next, it is what? 59.5 to 69.5. So in this way we did the class intervals continuous from discontinuous to continuous. So next, the given frequencies are, so frequency काय बघा इथं, frequency fi is equal to, it is what? 6, 10, 16, 14, 8, 4. ओके. सो त्यानंतर आपण काय करूया, क्लास मार्क ऑब्टेन करायचं राहिलंय. सो क्लास मार्क्स आर व्हॉट? दिस इज नथिंग बट midpoint of these class intervals. So I will write class marks. Class marks, it is denoted by xi. Okay. So this is nothing but what? Midpoint of these class intervals. काय बघा, 9.5 plus 19.5. So it is what? 29. 29 चा midpoint काय येईल? 14.5. Next, 19.5 plus 29.5, it is what? 59. So 59, yes, 59 चा midpoint काय येईल? 24.5. Sorry, it is what? 29.5. और सिंपली हा 0.5 इथं ऍड करा, म्हणजे हा झाला 20 प्लस 29, इट इज 49. सो midpoint of 49 is what? 24.5. Next, again add 0.5 here, it is what? 30 plus 39, so it is what? 69. So 69 चा midpoint काय येईल? 34.5. In this way you can find out midpoint, it is what? 44.5. Next, 54.5. Next, it is 64.5. So in this way these are what? Midpoints. सुरुवातीला आपण काय करूया, फ्रिक्वेन्सीची ॲडिशन घेऊया. सम ऑफ फ्रिक्वेन्सी 6 plus 10 16, 16 plus 16 32, 32 plus 14 46, plus 8 54, plus 4 62. So summation of fi is equal to, sorry, it is not 62. First we will check 6 plus 10, it is 16, 16 plus 16, it is 32, 32 plus 14, it is what? 46, plus 8 54, 54 plus 4, it is 58. Wrongly I have calculated, it is 62, but it is what? 58. Okay. So आता आपण काय करूया, क्युम्युलेटिव्ह फ्रिक्वेन्सी लेस दॅनचा कॉलम तयार करूया. ओके. सो येस, हियर फॉर दिस क्लास, इथं थोडं पुढं पाठीमागं झालंय, हा फ्रिक्वेन्सी क्लास इथं पाहिजे होता. ठीक आहे, नो प्रॉब्लेम. सो फॉर क्लास इंटरवल 9.5 to 19.5, frequency is what? 6 up to किंवा असं म्हणलं तरी चालेल, अप टू 24.5. इट इज व्हॉट? 6 plus 10 16. Next, 16 plus 16 32, 32 plus 14, 46 plus 8, it is what? 54, and plus 4, it is 58. Okay. So what is the value of n? N is 58. So therefore, what is n by 2? N by 2 ची value काय येईल? 27. Okay. Sorry, it is what? 29. So 29 कोणत्या मीडियन क्लास मध्ये येतो बघा? Yes, cumulative frequency less than 29 comes under this median class. Okay. So this is n by 2 is what? It is 29, which is corresponding to corresponding to which is corresponding to class interval Kyle. Yes, बघा class interval 29.5 to 39.5. Yes, from the column CF less than. Okay. So now what we will do? We will find the terms. What is median class? Yes, median class is 29.5 to 39.5. Yes, what is the value of FC? Yes, FC म्हणजे काय? Cumulative frequency less than. Yes, the cumulative frequency less than ह्याच्यापेक्षा जी प्रिव्हियस व्हॅल्यू आहे त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? FC, cumulative frequency less than the column of what? This 32. So ह्याच्यापेक्षा cumulative frequency less than कोणतं येईल? Previous frequency, it is what? 16. So FC is 16. What is L1? L1 is nothing but, yes, it is the lower limit of median class. So it is what? 29.5. Then FM is nothing but what? Frequency of median class, it is what? 16. Then next C. So C म्हणजे काय असतो? Length of or width of this frequency class. So it is what? 10. Okay. So now we will calculate the median. M is equal to, what is the formula? Median is given by, yes, what is the formula? It is L1 plus n upon 2 minus FC, okay, divided by FM into C. So what is L1? L1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? 29.5 plus what is n? Yes, n is what? 58 divided by 2. So it is what? 29 minus FC. FC is what? Yes, it is 16 divided by FM. FM is what? Again it is 16 into class width is what? 10. Okay. So here 29.5 as it is. 29 minus 16. So it is what? 13. 13 upon 13 into 10 upon 16. Okay. So if you calculate this, 29.5 plus this is what? 130 divided by 16 is equal to, yes. So value of median ही कॅल्क्युलेट केल्यानंतर 8.125 येतो. 8.125 याच्यामध्ये ऍड केल्यावर काय भेटेल तुम्हाला? 37.625. ओके. So this is the value of what? Median. So we write here median is 37.625. Okay. So now we will obtain the column of xi minus capital M. हा कॉलम आपण ऑब्टेन करूया. आता काय करायचं? क्लास मार्क मधून ही व्हॅल्यू सबट्रॅक्ट करा. ओके. So take subtraction of what, xi minus m. So it is what, 14.5 minus 37.625. It is what, minus 23.125. 24.5 minus 37.625. Okay, so there is difference of 10. So obviously here there will be difference of 10. So it is what, minus 13.125. Similarly, the next value will be what, minus 3.125. And the next 44.5 minus 37.625. So it is what, 6.875. If you add again, yes, so 54.5 minus 37.625, it is what, 16.875. And similarly the next value is what, 26.875. So this is what, xi minus m, difference of class marks and median. So now we will take mod of it. It is what, 23.125, 13.125, 3.125, 6.875, 16.875, 26.875. Okay, so now what we have to obtain, we have to take product of fi and mod di. Okay, so yes, calculate the product of what, fi and mod di. 23.125 into 6, it is what, 138.75. Next, 10 into 13.125, it is what, 131.25. Next, 16 into 3.125, it is 50. Next, 14 into 6.875, it is what, 96.25. Next, 8 into 16.875, so it is what, 135. Next, 4 into 26.875, so it will be what, 107.5. Okay, so this is what product of fi into mod di. Okay, so अशा प्रकारे आपण प्रोडक्ट कशाचा घेतला, fi आणि mod di चा. ओके, सो आता आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, समेशन fi इंटू मॉड di. म्हणजेच काय, हे जे सगळे एंट्रीज आहेत त्यांची काय घ्यायची, ॲडिशन. ओके, सो आफ्टर टेकिंग ॲडिशन ऑफ ऑल these एंट्रीज, it will be what, 658.75. Okay, so to calculate mean deviation about median, we require summation fi mod di and summation fi. Yes, so here we will calculate mean deviation about median is given by summation fi into mod di divided by summation fi. Okay, which is equal to, it is what, 658.75 divided by summation fi, it is what, 58. Okay, so now we have to take the ratio of this. It is what, 658.75 divided by 58. So its value is what, 11.3577. Okay, so this can be written as what, 11 point, this 77 is converted into what, 5 is converted into 6. So therefore, for given grouped frequency distribution, the mean deviation about median, it is what, 11.36. So what is the difference between the previous and this example? So the main difference is the class intervals are not continuous. म्हणजे जे क्लास इंटरवल दिलेले होते पाठीमागच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये ते कंटिन्युअस होते, हे काय डिसकंटिन्युअस आहेत. सो ते कसे कंटिन्युअस करायचं मी सांगितलंय. जे जंप व्हॅल्यू असते, यस, सो जंप व्हॅल्यू 9920, इट इज व्हॉट 1. सो डिवाइडेड बाय 2, so that will be what, 0.5. So add that 0.5 in upper limit and subtract from lower limit. So by doing this, you can make the given class interval into continuous form. the remaining procedure it is same. Okay, so in this way you can calculate the mean deviation about median for given discontinuous frequency distribution, grouped frequency distribution. Okay, so in next lecture we'll discuss about the standard deviation. So for this we'll continue in next lecture. Okay, thank you.